You are going to love the 2020 X7. The BMW X7 is sure to excite those looking for a full-size BMW SUV. Third-row seating, coupled with the latest technology and upscale interior features, make this a must-see for anyone looking for a luxury SUV vehicle. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, dual moonroof, turbocharged, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power liftgate. Come take a test drive today.